Hi, MMM Global Community all around the world. I'm Maria Cecil F. Bumiel from Degatan Dolores, Quezon, Philippines, a regular member ng MMM Global Community. At last September 16, 2015, I provided help with the amount of 7,000. And last October 1, 2015, I get my referral bonus with the amount of 1,063. And I provided help last September 24, 2015 with the amount of 1,000. And last September 16, 2015, I provided help with the amount of 7,000. And I get my video bonus with the amount of 1,860 last July 30, 2015. And I requested help and with the amount of 12,600 last October 12, 2015. And thank you for all those participants that provided help to me, and to all the participants that always keeping MMM Global Community alive. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Of course, I'm going to thank my beloved manager, Eddie Tuazon, for helping me always and giving his best effort for helping me when I needed him. Thank you, sir, always. And of course, to our respectable founder, Sergio Mabrodi. Sir, thank you very much. And together, we can change the world. Thank you. Hello, Philippines, mabuhay, and long live MMM Global Community.